Pomegranate is one of the earliest cultivated fruits, and it is documented since Greek mythology was established. Popular in the Mediterranean area, this fruit became increasingly popular during past years. It is a superfood due to the tasty, juicy pulp and its numerous health benefits. Health benefits of pomegranate. Number 1. It has anti-cancer properties. One of the significant benefits of eating a pomegranate is that it protects the body against harmful cells. It has anti-inflammatory properties that might shield healthy cells against cancer or other chronic diseases. Also, pomegranate comes with anti-angiogenic properties, which signifies that it prevents growing tumors from receiving blood. It is one of the few foods that feature natural aromatase inhibitors meant to avoid estrogen production and breast cancer. Besides the high content of vitamin C, along with those anti-inflammatory properties, it protects the body against infection and boosts the immune system. Number 2. It shields the heart against cardiovascular disease. A couple of studies show that due to the high content of phytochemicals, pomegranate protects the heart against infection. This happens because its composition lowers blood pressure and reduces atherosclerotic plaque. Number 3. It supports brain health. Another essential health benefit of pomegranate is that it promotes brain functions. Studies show that pomegranate juice can lead to better memory issues and improve brain functionality. Number 4. It might help deal with erectile dysfunction. Some studies found that daily drinking pomegranate can aid those that have erectile dysfunction. This potential benefit is believed to be linked to the complex composition of pomegranates that target several bodily functions. Number 5. It might diminish joint pain. Also, pomegranate can aid in joint pain due to its anti-inflammatory effects. It can block enzymes that are responsible for damaging joints observed in those that suffer from osteoarthritis.